Welcome. Take a moment to find a space where you can be entirely undisturbed. You have arrived here because your soul is ready to shift, to remember and to recalibrate. Gently close your eyes. Feel the ground beneath you and the space around you. We are moving beyond the noise of the day, beyond the expectations of the mind, and into the sanctuary of your own energetic field. There is no need to do anything and nothing to solve. Simply allow yourself to be a receptive vessel. We are about to engage with a frequency transmission designed to clear the static and bring you back into alignment with your own inherent sovereignty. Take a deep cleansing breath in and let it go. Let the words dissolve. Simply listen and let the resonance do the work. We begin now. Itashamaka kasho karadasho neka ineka kesha keradasho kasho eredatara kasho karadasho ereka kasho karanesha kora koradara ishoka kasho karadasho eredatara seko eriseko kora kakara shetuka karanesho taka kesho Eritora kasho kara kateka, eriteta tosha kerenaka, erenaka kara mesho karatara esho, eretatara shoka ekora kasho karatasho keratoka, eretatara kasho enakasho, karanosha kata, karateka kasho eretatara kashoka keranaka dasho ereta tosha kasho karanasho shoka ka ereta toka kera karataka kesho keretosha ereta kara tatara nesho kera ereta tara nasho kera orata to ereto ko ereta ta seka matara kera toka ereta toka karaneka karasoka ketaka karataka o ereta toka karateka o ereta toka kesho ereka naka karanaka kesho kerenaka kesho ereta tasho kara ereta tara kasho karatasho keraka ereta tora karatera ereta tora kesho mataka karaneka ko ereka tota etota te kasho ereta toka keranaka erenaka tesho karanaka tesho keratosha o itata ka resho keranasho tota ta ereto to karato ereto tota tesho ereta to ka ereta karaneka ko rereneka eshoka karanaka soma ereta tosha kasho karanesho tosha ereka kara karaneka toka eshoka kesho kasho ma ereta tara karaneka ereka kora karatora teretesha eretasho matara kashoka ka ereta taro karashoka masho ereka karaneka shoka ereta tara kasho kora ka itatara eretatara karaneka keranasho karano eretatara karanasho kora tata eretatara karaneka kesho ereta tosha karatosha kesho ereta toka karanaka eshoka kesho karatera o ereta tora tesho ereta tora tata karatasho ereka kesho karareka kesho ereta taro kasho etoka karaneka ma
ereta tarama, karaneka kosha, ereta tasho u, ereta tasho ura tasho, karateka kesho, ereta tara kesho, keranaka eshoka, kashoka kera, karatera, ereta tosha, ereka kasho, karanesho, kuratata, ereta tara nesho, ereta ka, karanesho parana, ereta tosha, karanesho, taranaka, ereka kasho, karareka tosha, ereta tara ko, karasho, keranaka, karaneka, karanesho, oratasho, katara, katesho, karatesho, utata, eretata, ita, kasho, kera, nasho, karatasho, ereta tosha, kamaraka, ereka, kereka, karanora, neka, kesho, tara, tatara, ereta tara, karanaka, kesho, ereta tora, kasho, ma, ereta tora, kasho, ma, ema, karame, ema.
Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the weight of your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the stillness you have just cultivated. There is no rush to move. Allow the resonance of this transmission to continue working within your cells. You are not the same as you were 5 minutes ago. You are simply more aligned with who you truly are. As you open your eyes, carry this clarity with you. Remember that you are your own anchor. Whenever you feel the noise of the world rising, you can return to this space and return to yourself. Thank you for sharing your energy with me today. To further anchor this practice and explore more daily activations, I invite you to visit JeanetteGibson.com. May you move through your day with grace, intention, and sovereignty.